There was once a time when using Google or Yahoo or other search engines to look for something on the internet meant that you had to actually go to their website. You had to type in www.google.com, for example, in order to enter your search criteria. But now with Microsoft Internet Explorer 7, you can fly the internet through your preferred search engine from any web page that you're on. With Internet Explorer open, as we have here, look for the rectangular box in the upper right corner. Next to the box are a magnifying glass button and an arrow button. When you click on the arrow button, it produces a drop-down menu. Now your menu might not look exactly like this, and to add a search engine to this list from this drop-down menu, click on More Providers. Now you can scroll through this listing of providers. Select the one that you want to add by simply clicking on it. When you click on one of the provider names, you get this Add Search Provider box. From this box, you can choose whether or not you want to make this your default internet search provider or not. I prefer not to. I use a different one. And then you can click the Add Provider button. You can add more search providers from this page if you like. And then when you're ready to do your search, all you have to do is come back up to the drop-down menu and pick the search engine that you want to use. Now you can see here in bold that Google is my default search engine. If you prefer a different search engine as your default, what you do is come down here to Change Search Defaults. Click on the search provider that you want to make your default, and then click on Set Default. Before I exit out of this panel, though, I want to show you that you can also use this screen to remove one of the search criteria. I clicked on Live Search. I'm going to click the Remove button, and that takes it out of my list. But now I want to make Yahoo Search my default, so I'll click on the Set Default, and then click on OK. Now what will happen when I click the magnifying glass or just hit enter, it will search through my default setting there for that particular item. If I want to search through a different search engine, all I have to do is click that down arrow as you saw me just do. Click on that search engine and it immediately searches the internet for your search criteria. See how simple? Click the down arrow and choose another search provider, and it moves on through the internet that way. Now this search engine that we have here that we last clicked on, which is ask.com in this particular instance, will remain active until you exit or until you change it to another search provider.